Hi everybody, this is Lieke McGillivray from Arts and Crafts by Lieke, and I'd like to show you what I have done. The parchment paper was this and now it's this, and just by using two colors on my alcohol markers, a pinkish one and a lilac one, I touched the flowers, also the bloom, so it gets a little bit purple, and so I can put it in my journal. I need a bigger one, and I'll show you. You don't need to be precise, make it nice and whimsical, I think you call it. So a little blue can stay, but just bring the lilac in. And that's what I already shown you before with some of the papers or pictures I found I wanted to incorporate and bring it to the style of the other papers. And this is a nice quick way, because I love the roses and I think they would go. I'll touch the darker spots with this one too. Just a little. So like this, and then I'll take the other one. Oh. So you see, you make it more pink and lilac. So I think that's enough for now, and then I will ink it. I think I'll take the dark one. Two. And then I think I have enough papers to bind it, and I decided to put two on the edge of the spine, so I can always put a third one in, because I like thicker journals. Did I took everything? Yeah, I did. So I have here a crease. I will do that. Okay, finished. Those sides, a little bit space. I took some rose petals from the bouquet of my husband, because they make me happy. Yeah, we're still on. I also, where did I? Oh yeah, it's so small. Make signatures already, and I found some doilies on Amazon, and I spray them and ink them and stamp them so they can come and play too. And I will put, where will I put it? This one here. It's sticking out, and maybe I'll cut it up. I don't know. I like things sticking out, and if I think it's too much, then I will put anything else. Let's put that one here. Yes, that's. And what I needed to do was put something. Oh, here I put this in the middle. Well, let's put this one in the middle too, and then this one here. So I plan on collaging a page, but then I will do that later. I don't think. I don't know if I will. How much do I have now for each signature? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a doily. Yes, well, let's make two pages in the middle and collage them, because I planned on that. So let's do that. I'll leave this one here because it's convenient. 2 pages. I'll take these 2. And I'll put some I have, mustache in the middle. Let's take this one, and let's take this one. In each. I'm going to fold it so I know where the middle is. That might be handy. Fold these one too. And this one too. So aim for the middle. Aim for the middle. A little bit better. So 1. And if you're really not good at aiming for the middle, you can always scooch it up some extra so it's on purpose done. Don't be that tight about it. it's about having fun and not stress yourself. So okay, and then I was wondering, I had those boxes here. Where did I put them? Tell me. Not here, not here. Behind me, perhaps. Oh, why? I'm getting dizzy. I don't know what I did. I had them here yesterday. Did I put them here? Here, those things. Let's see. Oh, my husband made me. My son made me this. I had a request and he immediately made it for me. But I had all those things to collage with. Oh, there. I put it there. Okay. I'll put this one here. I hope it will stay and not make another domino D-Day. That rhymes. Okay. I had these to collage. And I thought they were stickers. Yes. So let's collage with these. Things, because they are in color. These are blue, but these are all in color. I don't know. Yeah, like an old-fashioned typewriter. So the stranger, I don't know. They are here. This is a nice color. Okay, what is here? So now I'm only thinking about the colors. Well, not one like this, but here a hat, and this is too pink. I don't like that, and not too modern. When was the electricity like that already? I want to stay a little bit in the era. Oh, this is lovely. But I also had flowers and such. What's this? Okay, this can go in. And what is this? And this all came from that lady that stopped her hobby, I think. Rose. They look a little bit like Polaroids. And I wonder if they are stickers, but I think this is enough. They're a little bit modern too, but let's see how far I'll come. And I also had these things. So this back. I out of the way. I also have these things, so let's see how far I'll come. Yeah, butterflies and such, flowers. Okay, let's try. Maybe I will stand first a little bit around. So my step is, yeah, walking. Here. Okay. And I'll take my darker. So, let's do the other one. Okay, that. And I think I will use this one. I wish I had two of them. And these are just doodles with a bit of aquarelle. And so quick and easy to make. Maybe I'll do some painting online. I don't know if I dare to. That is always the question. This is nice. Come on. That's nice in color. Are these stickers? Oh, some stickers too. Let's arrange a little bit things. Is this a sticker? Yeah. but it's not willing to give up today. They made a pact, but they are stickers, so I know. I want them something like this here, and something like this here, or here, and a little bit pink and things in balance, and then it might already be enough. Maybe I want a pocket here, so I don't do something here. So put this one here, and this one here. Maybe that's too much. This one here, this one here, yeah. And here is going to be a pocket. So there are more roses and flowers that I can put up. And again, you can just dare yourself to do things, and maybe you're not, you can always say, well, I won't use it for this kind of journal. I'll save it for another one. Just go and make your decisions, but don't linger too much. So I think this is nice, and maybe a little flower. And I think I will take my thing again to make the rose purple. Where's my brush? Make the white a little bit less white. Make the rose a little bit more pink. Or where's the other one? Was this purple? Oh, this is even lighter. No, that's okay. I think this will be too dark. Well, okay. So, like this. Put them here. This is one. Maybe I'll make a pocket. A little tuck spots. I had cards. Little cards. In dat blok. Let's find a nice card to go. I had something like this that will fit, I think, fitting. I'll take some out, but I need something for a pocket. Like the bigger cards. Are they all standing up? Yes. Let's see. Take it out. Do I have to cut them? I forgot to put the diners, but I see now that I'm almost halfway time. Let's put for 30 minutes. Let's say 25 to remind me. And I think these two I'll use. These nuts. So let's see. And I don't care about dead lines, but I think if I can cut it like this, it will be a nice tuck spots. Yes, so that's one ingots. Where's my here? And my ink. Oops. So take my better glue, Stamperia extra color. This is a nice glue. And I think I've left it open for too long. So and there are of course butterflies and flowers. I don't like the stickers with that big whites around it, but here is something. And do I have a smaller one? Are they also big? That big? Oh, this is sweet. So just a little bit quasi cutting. Totally English, a cup of tea. Let's see. I need to take something off, unfortunately. But I will. I'll cut it off when it's on. Oh, I doubt if you see it, but okay, well, here it is. And I will cut that off. I didn't know it was like this. So you would see more of it if the background was white, but it's okay. That's a little bit strange, but I like it. And this can go in the paperback. It must be there. Okay. So, and I made some cards. I put them somewhere. The cards are in here. So, let's see. Have a nice card. A And what I will do now is put one in, sew one in, and finish the other one later, because if you want to repeat, you just have to watch the video again, and it will save some time. But here is a nice writing spots, journaling spots, and room for a picture or something like that. So this will be maybe an what do you call it? A label, or, but you get the picture. I will now try to sew one in. And this one I will save. Let's see. Put things away. This can go into peek out. That's lovely. So make a little bit of room, and I haven't done it before. So because I just got it. Let's see, this is going to be in here, and this one I will leave out for now, and I am going to sew it in. Oh, what I didn't do is finish the cover. I will do that also, because I had some nice things. I didn't show it yet. This one will go, I think, like this. The lady, I think this lady, and oh no, this lady, this man were meant to be together, I believe, and I had a thing like this, because this was also a bit green, and I think I will put her here. Where's my, oh, I left my glue open, but I need it anyway. So I want it like this. And like, no, I don't want, I want her here. So let's glue her on. Let's glue this on. Forgot to ink that one. So now it's inked. Already inked. So, where's that? I like this one, but maybe just a piece. Something else. I think this is it for now. I have a mini. Yep. And I know me. I think when I have the flip through and I'm finished, I always get new ideas. So let's put it this way. I think I'm going to print out some more of the papers and maybe other sizes and things like that. I might be cutting off this. I don't know. I like it. In a way, I like it. I think I won't cut it off, but well, this is it, I think. Maybe here a label, but I want a bigger label. Oh, I already also took out some like this. And maybe make a peekaboo pockets like this. And then you can let a card stick out, and maybe that card can have a name. Something smaller. So like this, like this, like this. And just put glue here and here and here. So first I'm going to glue this one on. So keep them together. And I think this needs a hole. Let's see, do I have a smaller? This is the big one. A smaller one? Yep. A mini. Aim for the middle. Yo, noise. And here you can put a carding with this belongs to. Yeah. So I'm gonna glue it here and here. That's that space, and a little bit here, so they can bond together. But wipe that clean, because otherwise nothing will go in that pocket. So just glue here and then here, so you can stick something in and it will peep a little bit out. And don't put it on straight, but like this. And I will take a little card. Just wait for 10 seconds. When it fits. Let's see. It is too big to make a peekaboo. But I will find another one. Where did I put the other cards? I had the thing with cards. Oh, I have a make. But I had little cards. This. A card like this. Will go maybe through. Well, I'll find a card later. First I'm going to sew this in. Oh, I forgot. I already also, let's find them, made corners. Because I thought it was a little bit flimsy. And what I did was take a piece of paper. I will show you how to make them. If I can find my lid. because I want to. So this is a stamp that I can, oh yeah, here, that I stamped like this on paper, and it's a little bit thicker paper, like the paper from the block. And then I scored here and here on the inside, yeah, on the outside, but it will fold it on the inside, and then cut two things off like that. So you have nice custom made corner protectors. I like them because I was searching for stamps and I stumbled upon them and I thought, hey, that might be nice. So let's put them on like this. Yeah, aren't they lovely? So let's put them on. And I will finish one signature, put in. I will sew it in, and then maybe I found some lace also. I think this is the tip of the day about corners. I know maybe you want metal. I have metal, but they were too wide, too big for wide, too big for this paper. They are more for carton, for cardboard. I don't know what I'm doing. Wait, like this. So fold it and shove it a little. You need to be quick with the extra forward glue, but and now my topje. So that's nice. I first stitched two in, and I will show you where, if I can find it, where I put my lace. I found lace and the closure. So I was thinking sewing them on the edge, so I have a little bit space in the middle, because you want to decorate and things like that. So that's a thing, and maybe I will take another one, but let's take this and see how I will use it. So I need to find my way in like this. And see if it will stay. Okay. Just pinch your nose and dive. And I have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the middle. Will I find? Will it? So it would be nice if it would be the same. My dear son, I can't find it. So I think they don't match up that well. But I will pinch here, and I will pinch, and I'm going to mark the middle with my pencil, if I can find it. Where's my white pencil? Well, my green pencil then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the middle. And I will pinch 1, 2, 3. And I will pinch 1, 2, 3. 3 from that side. 1, 2, 3. Well, that's a shame that it doesn't fit. 1, 2, 3. So, do I have it now? Well, that doesn't work either. So, back to the drawing board. If I do this, will it then? No. Well, it does. But I didn't see it. It does, but it doesn't. Maybe my thing is I have to make the holes bigger. Yeah, because it does, but I think I have to drill a little bit more. So, but I know now where I want to be, and that wasn't working either, so let's do it like this. And this. So, maybe will I put it, where's my middle? Let's see. Yeah, I think it's not wide enough, but okay. I will need to find the middle of everything. Let's see if I have it like I want it. This, well, it doesn't matter that much, but like this. Put it on. Find the middle. This is the middle. And take some clamps, or these. I have hands, so I'm going to use these. And then I'll take it like this. So, the old-fashioned way. And 2, 3, and here, and here. Am I in the center? Well, just so. So keep them together with this. Okay. And I found this nice threads. 1, 2, 3. And here are my needles. so, yes. This one. Okay, well, I'm going to finish this. Let's see if I can finish it. And I will try to make this thing work. And I'll start in the middle. Poef. Stop. Put it out. I'm gonna finish this one, and then I'll prepare this one so it can work, because it must work. It's a question of putting a little bit, drilling, and then I'll show the other one. So I'll finish this one on my own. Oh, isn't it lovely? I like it already. So I'll finish this. I'll tidy up a bit because I'm getting crazy myself. So thanks for watching. Sorry for the inconvenience of not doing it now anymore, but I've shown you how I prepare the papers to mix the colors together, bring the colors together. I've shown you a collage and those corners and the peekaboo pockets and the front cluster. So I've done some work. So see you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.